sa may beach area. Ito sa crossroad. So, ito yung beach. Look at that, guys. Ang ganda. Yan lang naman yung palibot. And that another island is sa Sai Resort. Ito yung bar. And then dun banda is yung swimming pool. So here is the view for the beach. Ang ganda. So guys, tara sa may swimming pool. Turo ko kayo sa kabuuan ng beach club. Ayan, nakugulol ako. Yung kasama ko kumakanta-kanta dun sa karaoke. Pero ang peg natin ngayon is mag-tour. Ito yung sinasabi kong ito yung beach paddle. Ay paddle. Yung parang tennis nila. Yeah. Doon yung way papunta sa resort. Pero hindi tayo pupunta dyan kasi hindi tayo pwede. Kaya punta tayo dito sa may swimming pool. Let's go, guys. Doon yung karaokehan nila. Gelato area. Sa may ice cream. Naman lang si Aliyah. Mag-iisa na tayo ng ice cream. I'm here and back. So guys, let's go to samahan mo nyo ako kumuha ng towel, and at the same time is ilibot ko kayo dun sa kabuuan ng swimming pool. May karaoke dun, guys. It's an entertainment para sa mga guests. Yung kasama ko nandun, feel na feel niya. So, ito yung view natin, guys. Ito yung itsura ng swimming pool. Malamig ngayon ang tubig kasi kanina siya magdamag siya, buong araw siyang makulimlim. Ito naman yung likod ko, guys. So ito yung bar. Punta tayo ngayon dun sa may bar area. Diba? Look at that, guys. Sino naman ang hindi maakit na mag-swimming? Tapos ganitong katirik ng araw. Call niya daw siya, guys. So, ito yung sa car area is lunch. Orderan ng mga pagkain din lang. So, dito yung DJ minsan. Okay. Hotel ng towel. Iwanan natin tong kasama natin kalimutan ata lang guys. Oh. Then tara sa CR kasi ihi muna tayo.
Meanwhile,
What you want to say? Can I sing with you? Yeah, we have one line. It's my life. It's my life? Bon Jovi, you want to sing it now? Yeah, do you have towel? Maybe I will. Yeah, sure. Grounded. I just want to get down grounded. Yeah. You don't need the lyric, no? Why you do this? Oh, so you should stay there. Why I need to stay there? Why? The table is not long enough, you know? Oh! Where's Kuya Glenn? Yeah.
Yeah, where's Kuya Glenn?
Glenn, I think it's going to take a break.
Oh.
Can I search? Ay, yeah. Why did you know? Why you want to search me? Where's Rangga? Rangga?
Guys, tignan daw natin. Panoorin niyo daw siya na mag-kumanta. Yung kasama ko. Focus natin dun.
What song? I-video mo ako, be?
Yes, naka-video pa ulit.
It's my life. Volume. Volume up. This is the song for the broken hearted. The silent prayer for the faith departed. I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live while I'm alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. But Frankie said I did it my way. I just want to live while I'm alive. It's my life. This is for the ones who stood their ground. For Tommy and Gina, who never back down. Tomorrow's getting harder, make no mistake. Not even lucky, got to make your own break. It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live while I'm alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. So when they're calling you out, don't bend, don't break, baby, don't back down. It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live while I'm alive. my way. Wala na life. It's my life. And now it's never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live while I'm alive. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. The drunk is did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life.
Hi guys! Again, I'm here. So guys, I will just end my vlog here. My video since wala na yung kasama ko. Iniwan niya ako. Saya-saya na siya sa karaoke. So, that's it for now guys. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming videos. And like and share na din guys. Bye! Thank you, bye!